I don't think I've ever worn this on camera. Okay, whatever. And I'm pretty sure I went these pants. I'm not sure anyway. I got like a slime box, like a pretty big one. And they're like little slimes inside, and we're gonna put them. Yeah. And Giselle's also coming today, so we might make a video. So stay tuned.
And I like that one too.
So there's a lot going in. Okay, so I'm so sorry. It's still actually kind of good. It's still good, but okay. So we're gonna start with this one. Okay. So it's really nice. Can you please be really quiet? So it smells like a push pop. A little push pop. I'm sorry, it just smells like that really good. Look how tiny little containers are. Lexi, be quiet, please.
No.
So now I've got see, look how tiny. Look at the tiny little slime. It is adorable. Oh, just so yeah. Loving it. Sorry for the background noises, but this is very nice, and I can feel the chunks. I'm gonna have to have a I like this one. This is internet for me. It's like a fluffy texture, like not cloud, but like fluffy. I like the texture's fluffy. Okay. So now I'm gonna go with this one. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it's let's see here. So there's like a little blue Oreo here. Very cute. Soft and stretchy this is. It's serious. It seems like it's a little sizzling. It's why. What's sizzling for? Ooh. This is so for my favorite. So, and this is only like the second one. It's my favorite. And this one's probably my second favorite so far. We're not gonna go for this because there's too much in here. I both have. But of course, guys, just be prepared. There's gonna be some bad words in here. I just know it. Okay, now this. I feel like this is like a one. Okay, so yeah.
I wanna come.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, this is very rippy, like. And there's like little avocados in this. Ugh. No, don't, no. Now guys, this might be a long video because let's just say there's like a lot. So let's see this one. So there's like a white one. Here says kind of nice. Doesn't really have a smell. This is incredibly soft. Incredibly soft. And there's a little bunny as the charm. It's so cool. This is amazing types. No, I mean amazing. This, oh man. Seriously, I can play this for hours. This is perfect. Perfect. That's good. After a bad one, we need a good one, of course. Which makes me happy again. Okay. Next city, next. Okay, this one's kind of cool. I've got a bad feeling about this one. Oh, okay. It kind of looks like milk. There's stars into this. And there's a little ice cream. This is like, that's, you know what? This is an F. This is, so if I have to rate this, wait, we're gonna rate this like in like math, like F minus. So this one was an A plus, A plus, A plus, F minus, and this one is a D plus, D plus. It's not D plus. Okay, now we're gonna get this orange one. Ooh, this is kind of. Okay. I'm gonna give this an F minus because it's a little bit rippy. I mean an A minus. This is a little rippy, but otherwise it's really good. So A minus. So that's pretty good. Okay, next, let's do this one. Okay, so if I'm hating the color, that's okay. It's like a dark gray. Oh. Okay, stick to the cap and something. Okay, this is also a D minus. No, D minus, yeah. D minus. This is, you have to stretch. They're rippy. And it's kind of hard to like, squish a little bit. So, and I hate the color, so D minus. Okay, let's go with this one. Oh, there's a big bubble. Popped it. Oh, this kind of reminds me of a type of food. It kind of looks like corn with like some vegetables inside because there's like green, orange, like carrots and broccoli. See, look. It's like green, orange, it's yellow. So it doesn't remind me of something. Like my grandma makes this like corn. And it has like these like little vegetables. It has carrots and broccoli. And I mean like this, it looks exactly like this. That's a coincidence, but this is a B plus. B plus. Oh, so it looks very cool and exciting. Let's see. Oh wow, it's like little sprinkles. Okay. Okay, it's got like this like crunchy type of thing whenever I squish it. It's got like these crunchy type of texture thing. Maybe I don't know what to rate it. Okay. Maybe this is an A plus. It's actually really cool and it's different to the other ones. The other ones, they don't have this like cool like little chunky bits. It's actually soft. It just reminds me of pink strawberry donuts. I love A plus 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 plus. Okay, now I'm gonna go for another. Wait, no, we're going for red instead. So let's have a look at this ketchup. Okay, this reminds me of ketchup, like I just said. Ketchup, tomato sauce, whatever you call it. This one also has sprinkles. Why? Why does this have sprinkles and fruits and even animals in it? Yeah. This is what you call weird. Yeah, I mean weird. Okay, sorry guys, I just have been acting up. I don't know why, but I think so. Okay, but yeah, this one is really cool, but it's not bad. I'm gonna give it an A minus. A minus. It's not too bad. So far I'm getting a lot of good ones, which is excellent. And it's exactly what I want to see. You know, this one, yeah, here's his night clear one. So this is red, but it looks orange on camera. I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Gonna see my finger. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey. Okay, whatever. You know what I'm doing. Okay, let's just say this is definitely a F minus. Let's try this purple one. This one looks really epic. So, ready? 3, 2. Let's feel it now. You have to feel it now. It's actually like clear. E. That's so cool. Oh my god. This is an A plus 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 plus. That is so cool. I've never seen a slime ever do that. Let's try it again. So cool. So good. I am literally obsessed. I mean obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Okay, that's the container. Don't tell me I'm sitting on it. If I'm sitting on it, I'm gonna fall. I'm not. All I can see is this. Okay. No, I don't need glasses, guys. I don't need glasses like Giselle. Giselle definitely needs glasses. Right. Hiya! My favorite song does not have a home. Does not have walls. Does not have. And then you know what we're going to use for now until we find it. Wait. Oh, yes. See this? So we can put our beautiful baby here. And it'll keep safe. Okay. Just for that, we'll keep the lid on top. And if it ever shows up, I'll always put it back. Okay, next. See if it's me at this one. Like, seriously guys, I'm just choosing random ones. Because I'm just hoping to get a really good one. I'm not like, oh, this has a pretty color. Of course it's going to be good. It has a pretty color. Oh. Like, this blue is so pretty, but it's very bad. She's actually very sad. And I love strawberries. This is bad. So, yeah. No one laugh at me. Okay. This one has like a little cactus. Very cute. This is really nice. I'm gonna rate it an A. Just an A. An A plus plus. Let's try this pink one now. Okay. This is actually a really nice one. This is nice. This is an A plus 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 plus. It's really good. It's really good. It's like a nice color. It's got that like cool texture, and it's so soft, so stretchy. I'm just obsessed. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. But yeah, we should order this is still my favorite. And this one is actually in the lead. Let's do it. Look at this one. Okay, we got like this new type of color. Okay. Ooh, Scooby, I'm just murder. Ooh, not me. That's some good pops. Okay, this is a blue plus. This is a B plus plus. B plus plus. It's not too bad. Alright, next. This one. This is an A plus 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 plus. I am obsessed. It even smells like strawberry donuts. Scrumptious burger. Scrumptious burger. Burger. Scrumptious burger. Yum yum. Scrumptious. Scrumptious burger. Oh yeah, since we already did this one, so we can better than that too. Okay, Jesus. Oh, okay. Well, just because of its color doesn't mean it's gonna be bad, but you know. This is actually so bad. Like, it's not terrible. It's not beautiful. It's not the worst. So, I'm gonna give this an A plus. Oh my god. We're doing A plus 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 plus. That's really good. It's really good. Seriously, what was I thinking before? It really is. Seriously, this is such a good slime. This is so nice. It's like a butter slime and a thickened gloss and a fluffy slime mixed together. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Obsessed. Obsessed with that one too. I've got so many that I'm obsessed with. That's a good thing that I've got lots that I'm obsessed with. Alright, next. Blue. There's a lot of blue, really. Okay. This is a little bit hard to stretch. It's a nice color. D minus. D minus. D minus. I think this is a D minus here. D minus. D minus. D minus 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 minus. I know we're testing out sometimes. Okay, next. Okay, the black one. Okay. Wave batches, wait for it. The shutters. This one. Okay. Okay. This is really nice. Still trying to look for the container. Wonderful. It's like really nice. And what's the little charm we got? We get a cow. It's not too bad. So isn't too bad. I think I might read it an A plus plus. An A plus plus plus. It's really good. Especially if you're emo. Just to be honest, most of the stuff I wear in my videos are usually colorful, so I don't think you'll like these videos. So if you're emo though. Choose it, I think. Choose this, and then I like. Okay, we got this purple. Ooh, okay. Okay. This is here's a little lollipop. Okay, this is like really. Wait, let me feel a little bit of peace. Let me feel it without the lollipop. Without the lollipop feels excellent. gonna give this a C. A C plus. Or no, a C minus. So this is a C minus. Ah, okay, next. Technology. What do you think? Go guess. I think it's going to be green. Kidding me. Okay, this is really bad. This is okay. Yeah, let's just give this an F plus, an F plus. X. Let's see what we see. I think it's going to be brown. How did I guess that? Oh yeah, I swear it's gonna not peak. Ooh, okay, this is like chocolate donut vibe. Oh, let's. Oh, I feel a charm. What do you think? Subscribe if you. It does okay. I love her. And it says love. Okay, cool. Okay, good. Thought I lost the container. We still got heaps to go, guys. So we're gonna open 2 at a time. Oh, okay. Maybe this one's. Okay. This one kind of feels. I want to say tomato red vibe. Maybe. Oh. So don't think so. Okay, it's fine. We'll just click on the mix it in. Because Giselle's coming. I don't want her to get mad at me for accidentally mixing another color in. Oh, she watches my videos. Good. Hi Giselle. Nothing happened. Yeah. It's raining so much right now. We're in winter, guys. This is so annoying. If you're in Australia, in Melbourne, you will know it's raining right now. I hate the rain. Subscribe if you hate the rain. Like the video if you love the rain. You're crazy if you love it. So A plus, D plus. I know Giselle's gonna come here soon. I swear to God. I get 2. 2. We can't wait to do. Oh, I don't need a this. This is bad. F minus E. Okay. Oh my God. I know this is like a Barbie pink and I hate Barbie. But this is like beautiful. Barbie, I love you now. Just kidding. No. Barbie is in the trash. She's in F minus. And pretend I did infinity minus. Oh man. No, this is really soft. It's like marshmallow. I have to play with it really quick because it's a little bit sticky. I know what I'm doing. Seriously. I'm just straight away just moving my hands. So I smush them together. Sticks. And it's not full. You must do still on. Oh. I actually kind of tried taking it off. So yeah. I love this. This is an A plus. then I did infinity, billion, trillion, plus X. 2. Got a lucky. No, okay, we're not lucky. Got some terrible colors together. Gives me billion vibes. Look how smooth that is. So shiny. This also feels incredible. Feels incredible, guys. Yeah, I love the color black. And sometimes you guys think my hair is black. No, it's actually a brown Cuba. Wait, it's a golden Cuba brown. So it's basically brown. But so let's say I put my hair in the sun. It's gonna make it makes like this goldy orangey Cuba type color. This Cuba's an orange color. Let's see. Makes like an orange gold. Yeah. Okay, this one. No, I don't like this. This is an F. F minus. This is a quiet video, I can see. Okay, next. Okay, next we don't have awesome colors right now, so I got this one, and I think it's purple. I got this one, I think it's maybe green. Okay, I'll say wrong. Okay. Because it is a little bit, there's not one more green, and there's also teal in there. Teal. Okay. Let's fill the blue first. Okay, good job, boy. You are an F minus. I feel like a teacher. Okay, this is pumpkin vibes. The other one was carrot vibes. Okay, this is kind of good. I'm gonna give this an A plus 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 plus. Yeah, ready? Got 4 more. I think this is a purple, and I also think that this is a green. Oh, it's a turquoise. So the next one we have the sticky. Oh, I love this one. Oh my fudging hell. I love this. Oh my god, 10. Wait, sorry. A plus 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 plus. That was trying to turquoise. I love this. Ooh, this is like really different. It feels like a thickened gloss. Thickened gloss type of texture. Feels like that. It's a little bit of fluffy scrub mixed together. Very nice. And we got our last 2. Let's see. These 2. I'm just out of green. This is not bad. There's a little leaf type of charm in half. It's like a little leaf kind of. I don't know if it's like a bush grass thing or if it's a leaf. This is really nice. It gives me pear vibes. Yes. Anyway, that's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a plus 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 plus. I'm just gonna give it an A plus. This one. Here's Homecoming. Yes, our last one is an A. It is an A plus and pretend that I did that infinity times. Yes. I love this. It feels like it's sticking close too. Anyway, bye guys. I'll definitely give you some ideas. Every day, and maybe in about a month, maybe when January finishes. Wait, June finishes. Then we can check on it again just to make sure everything's going good. So we're gonna make sure like everything's. I swear, guys, I'll try not to touch them. And this one with my friend Giselle because she's organic. I still with my friends, okay? I promise. It's good. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like. Bye.